Alright, this is the project for week 11. We had to add in the update project details and delete a project. The following list array will define what menu options are shown to the user. The at formatter off and add the formatter on temporarily disables the formatting of the code in the section in between the two statements. This is done so that the code isn't reformatted incorrectly later on. Go down here, let's add in a case statement for both. If you don't break it, it's going to go down here and do the default. That's why it has the break there. The following method will run until the user exits. When done equals true, the user exits. The explanation will change true to false and false to true, so the switch in the while loop will run as long as it says done is not true. The switch contains all the options presented in the menu. An exception is included to handle errors gracefully and allow the program to continue running. Scroll down here. This is the delete project method. The following method will first list all the projects by calling list project prompts the user to enter the project they want to delete via ID, and will check to make sure the selected project is the same as the current project. If so, the selected value will be removed using null. And then for the update project details, we got it right here. The following method will first ensure that the project has been selected to make sure that current project doesn't equal null. It will then show the current information about the selected project and prompt the user to edit them. Once completed, the new project will be updated. We got all that right here. And going into project service, we have these two down here. Starting with modify project details, the following method will call on modify project details method found in the project DAO class, and will throw an exception if it does not exist. The exclamation point changes true to false and false to true, so if the project existing is not true, it will throw the exception. And then this one down here. The following method will call on the delete project method found in the project DAO class and will throw an exception if it does not exist. The exclamation point changes true to false to true. If the project existing is not true, it will throw an exception. Alright. Then we got this one down here in the DAO class. Modify project details. The following method will modify the project details by implementing an SQL statement. The question marks are used as placeholders. It includes two try statements to handle errors gracefully. And then the delete projects one. The following method will delete the specified project by implementing an SQL statement. It's a boolean because it is a specified project is deleted, it will return true. In order to delete the specified project, it needs to connect the two to the database using get connection. It then needs to start a transaction using start transaction to allow multiple actions. This is followed with the prepare statement to set the parameters. Statement.execute update to execute it, and commit transaction to commit it. If something doesn't meet the parameters, the rollback transaction and the try catch will allow the transaction to go back. Alright then, so now to run the code, first just going over here just so you can see that for project ID 8, we've got these three different categories for material, category, and step. They're going to be deleted. And run it. You select the project first, we're going to select video, and then we're going to update it. Alright, so it's updated successfully as you can see down there. And now to delete it. Choose option 5. And now we need to select 8. There we go. Now if I go over here and play this, it's all deleted.